Hi everyone, my name is Yana and today I want to show you absolutely great and amazing product for your home. So this beautiful training boxing machine is super amazing for the training at your home. If you like box, this is super great. So this training machine has the LED light, has different speeds, and also you can connect with your phone with Bluetooth and listen your music when you're training. So this boxing machine is very easy to install. Right now I'm gonna open the box and I'm gonna show you how this product look and how to install. This is super great, amazing, and also great for the kids and for the adults.